Good evening, everyone. I hope you all are doing fine. And this is me and my partner Milnan, and we are presenting you our new app, that is FitNeura. This is our startup app. This is our startup idea. So by this, you might be just getting the vibe that it's related to something fitness. So I would ask you, how many of you feel that feel low motivation at some days when you are going for a fitness? Yeah, even myself also. This is a Max. This is an ambitious student. He is a bachelor. He works 8 to 10 hours. He plays football sometimes. His goal is to build muscle. He has a very tight budget, and his monthly budget is very tight and is very price sensitive. So I hope many of you can relate with it. So yeah, so this happens because like sometimes we create budget for exercise, but we do not consider diet. We consider diet, we go for long fasting, but we don't exercise. So what is this exhaustion versus reward thing? The brain's tug of war. Like your brain is in the middle, and one is reward, and second is exhaustion. So it's like just pulling your brain. The two things cannot happen at the same time. Either you seek reward or you will be too exhausted. So how do we manage this? So what are the twin engines of transformation? So when we ask what are the twin engines of transformation, the engines which transform our body, that is nutrition and exercise. So when these two things go hand in hand, of course, they play a big part in our transformation. But what's happening right now? 51%, that's a study of in March 2025 by European Parliament. 51% of EU's population age 16 and over are already overweight, and of these 17% are obese. So that's a big number. And if you consider this latest study, the Lancet 2025, which just came 2 days ago on 18th November, this says the ultra-processed foods are factory-made products. I mean, like, you might be aware of these things, right? It's just above us, right? It's present here also. So why people are using this? Because it's cheap, it's easily available. But the thing with this is that it's offering ultra-processed food, and which is not good for health, not good for nutrition. And as you can see in Spain, it has tripled over in 30 years, from 11% to 32%. So it's a huge jump. So now the question is, are both engines on the brink of failure? Like, are we not caring for both of these things? Maybe you are exercising more, maybe you are more nutrition conscious, but there is no balance between. So here we come, the FitNeura, where the two engines of transformation, they finally connect. And this is the logo which we have designed. One is exercise and the other is nutrition. So we just connect the two engines and it looks like this. So how our app works? You would be having a QR code at partner gyms, and you will earn points of every workout. This might sound familiar to some of you, because these are similar to fitness apps. But if you consider the other 3 points, you may redeem coins at partner grocery shops. There is a free expert content, and obviously the premium coaching. Okay, so what sets us apart? Like the better points, sweat coins, you might have heard about it. I mean the fitness tracking, healthy food rewards, and the expert content. So these 3 things we integrate, and no single existing app is currently doing this. So how does it goes? Like obviously we are targeting the first students. The beginners also can join the app. People who struggle with consistency and motivation, and obviously the budget conscious users. I mean, who wants cheap healthy food, because it's too expensive, right? The healthy food. So our revenue streams, we won't be launching premium subscription for in the beginning, but yeah, we will be partnering with health centers, we're partnering with grocery stores, They will be having small percentage, they will be offering us small percentage commission, and of course the ads. So this will be the potential impact. We will be having the steady increase over user growth, the user satisfaction, and most important, user retention is most important, because most fitness apps fail to do that. So this is our rough cost structure. Obviously the app development, the marketing, reward subsidy, these all we will be spending. And this is the 6-month roadmap. Initially we will be partnering just with gym people, because we need to be a little bit slow going. So yeah, but we will scale this partnership. So yeah, FitNeura helps users thrive and will nurture your lifestyle. Thank you.